Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel chapter 6 simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your exam assignment, or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete course for you. If you need only individual assignment, I will do individual assignment for you with very reasonable price with A plus grade. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, access, writing, and many more courses. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Okay, title of exam is XP Excel chapter 6 simulation exam. Question 1 is that create range names for cell B4, B5, B6 and B7 based on the name location located in cell A4, A5, A6 and A7. Okay, create name range. Create name range. Cell B4, cell B4, click on create from selection, then left column. This is done now. Now use the name manager to delete the use the name manager to delete the net income name range. Use the name manager to delete the net income name range. Okay, go to the formula, click on name manager, click on name manager and then net income, click on delete. You can select this and click on delete it. Then okay, are you sure you want to delete the name net income? Yes. Okay. Then close this. Okay, question is done now. I have done two questions. Now question number 3 is that replace the cell references in the function located in cell B10 with the appropriate ranges. Okay, in cell B10 with appropriate ranges, named range. Okay, replace the cell references in function located in cell B10 . Click on cell B10 and you can modify this. Okay, fixed cost plus variable cost per unit multiplying by units output. Then press enter. This question is done now. Okay, create a new worksheet name range. Okay, we will create a new worksheet. Right click on this budget and analysis sheet. Okay, and then right click on this name range. New sheet will be created. Right click on this and rename as named range. You can tap here named range, named range. Okay, then press enter. Okay, tap range name in cell A1, click on cell A1 and then we will tap named range names, RANGENAMAS. Okay, name range, then press enter. Okay, sorry, or capital and range, then N capital, names is names, then press enter. Okay, tab location in cell B1, click on cell B1 and then we will tab location, LOCATION, tab location in cell B1. Okay, insert a list of range names used in formula in workbook, start in cell A2. Insert a list of name range, click on cell B2, click on cell A2 and then click on formulas, then click on use in formula and then paste names and paste list. Click on paste list. This is done. Now auto fit the with the column A and B, select column A and B and go to the home tab and click on format tab and select auto fit with column. Okay, select first these two column, click on the format tab and then auto fit column with. Question is done now. Moving on next question. Okay, beginning in cell C14 of the budget analysis worksheet, complete the series of substitution value ranging from 450 to 1200 in increment of 150 horizontally across row 14. First, we will click on cell C14 in the beginning worksheet. In the beginning cell budget analysis worksheet, click on budget analysis worksheet and click on cell C14 and enter 450 and go to the home tab and click on the fill series and then select row and then enter step value is 150 and stop value is 1200. Stop value is 1200 and then click on OK. This question is done now. Now moving on next question. Insert a reference to the sales revenue in column B in cell B15. Insert a reference to the sales revenue. Click on cell B15. Okay. Enter is equal to and then insert reference to sales revenue. Here is sales revenue. Press enter. Insert a reference to the expense in cell B16 is equal to and insert a expense. Enter is B10. Enter. Press enter. Okay. Insert a reference to the operating income from column B in cell B17. Click on operating income, then press enter. Okay, this is done now. This question is completely done now. Now moving on next question. Create a one variable data table for the range B14 to H17 using the create one variable data table for range B14 to H17 using the unit output from column B and rows input cells. Okay, you can select this range for create a one variable data table and then output column B is row input cell. You can select this, go to the data tab, click on what if analysis, go to the data table. Okay, row input cell and column input cell is column B, row input cell, column input cell is okay, units output, sorry, column input cell output, unit output, okay, row input cell is unit output, then press OK. This data variable will be done now. Now moving on next question. Apply counting number format to the range C15 to H17. You can select for this range and go to the home tab and then we will go to the number group and then apply counting number format on this range. Okay, you can select for this range and go to the home tab and then apply counting number format on this range C15 to H17. Here is go to number group, apply counting number format. Okay, apply custom number format to the cell B15 to display sales revenue. Okay, basically in this question we will apply custom number format. Click on cell B15 simply. Click on custom number format, click on general and then remove this and then enter inverted commas and then tap sales revenue is custom number format. Custom name is sales revenue. Okay, you can see this. Okay, sales revenue and then inverted commas, then press OK. Custom number format will be added. Apply custom number format to the cell B16. Click on cell B16. Go to the number group. Click on custom number format. Then okay, go to the general and remove this general and then enter inverted commas. Okay, then enter inverted commas and then we will enter custom name is expenses and then again enter inverted commas and then press OK. Okay, enter expenses and then enter inverted commas and then press OK. Okay, then apply custom format to the cell B17 to display operating system. Click on cell B17, go to the number group. Okay, click on custom format, click on journal and then enter your custom format to the operating income. enter inverted commas, then we will type operating income in, and then type operating income, and then again we will enter inverted commas, then click on OK. OK, custom format will be added. Custom is done now. Beginning in cell B21, complete the series of substitution value ranging from $35 to 45 in increment of 2.50 vertical down column B. Okay, first we click on cell B21, enter 35, and then we will click on home tab and click on fill series, and then we will apply increment. Okay, then click on fill series, then column, step value is 2.50 and the stop value is 45. Step value 2.50 and stop value is 45, and then click on OK. Okay, insert a reference to operating income from column B in cell B20. Click on cell B20 is equal to operating income. Then click on operating income is here. Then press enter. Okay, this question is done now. I have done 9 question of this exam right now. Moving on question number 10. Create a two variable data table in the range B20 to H25 using the unit output from column B as the row input cell and sale price from column B as the column input cells. Okay, first we will select this range for complete data variable. Okay, you can select first this range and then go to the home tab and then click on what if analysis tool. Go to the home tab, then click what if analysis tool. Data table, row input cell is unit output from column B as the row input cell. Unit output is row input cell, and then column input cell sale price. Okay, then press OK. Apply the custom format to the B20 display operating income. Click on cell B20 and then go to the home tab and click on go to the number group and then click on custom. Okay, click on cell B20. Click on cell B20 and go to the number group in home tab. Click on custom. Okay, scroll up and click on general. Remove the general, enter inverted commas and then type operating income. Type operating income. Okay, then enter inverted commas, then click on OK. This question is done now. Now moving on, next question. Perform a Gold-Seek analysis to determine what the price is column B needs to be if you wanted to operating income in column B to be 3500. Accept the solution. Basically in this question we will apply a Gold-Seek, perform a Gold-Seek analysis to determine $3500 a value. Okay, click on data tab. First we will click on sales price. Okay, and first we click on sale price B7 and then we will click on data tab and then click on what analysis and then click on Gold-Seek B7 to value $3500. $3500. Okay, by changing cell in B11, sorry, by changing cell is set cell is B7 sales price. Okay, then B1 and $3500 is to value. Okay, then set cell is B11 and then by change cell is B7, then click on OK. It will be applied. This is done now. You can see I have done I have done 65% of this exam. For remaining question, or you want to do it for complete, sorry, I have done 75% of this exam. If you want to do it for complete course, or you want to need help in remaining question, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete exam for you, and I will handle your complete course. I am also handling many student courses from Canada, USA and many more countries, and I can do all courses on Cengage, Pearson, Blackboard and many more countries and colleges and universities. Okay, please subscribe my channel and like my video. I will help you in futures, and I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel. If you do not able to do this course, or you do not able to do this assignment or exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you with A+ grade and very reasonable price. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students.